This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B12 spray. First, ensure you shake the bottle well before each use to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Then, open your mouth and aim the nozzle under your tongue or at the inside of your cheek. This area is rich in blood vessels, allowing for optimal absorption. Follow the specific dosage instructions provided on your product's label for best results. For proper application, aim the spray directly into your mouth, usually under the tongue or against the inner cheek. Most products suggest 1 or 2 sprays per day, but always check your specific brand's recommendations. After spraying, hold the liquid in your mouth for about 10 to 20 seconds. This allows for maximum absorption through the oral mucosa before you swallow. Vitamin B12 is vital for many bodily functions, including energy production, nerve health, and red blood cell formation. Using a spray can be particularly beneficial for those with absorption issues or who prefer an alternative to pills. For best results, try to take your B12 spray at a consistent time each day. If you have any underlying health conditions, always consult your doctor first. To ensure your vitamin B12 spray remains effective, store it properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Always keep the cap tightly closed after each use to prevent contamination and maintain its potency. Remember to check the expiration date on the bottle and discard any expired product. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.